Hello, and welcome to Reikilates. In today's guided meditation, we will explore the techniques to activate and balance your root chakra, creating a strong foundation for emotional well-being and a sense of groundedness. Please find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, letting go of any tension or stress. Allow yourself to fully relax and be present in the moment. Now visualize a vibrant red energy at the base of your spine, representing your root chakra. Imagine this red energy expanding and growing. Visualize roots extending from the base of your spine, reaching deep down into Mother Earth. Feel these roots anchoring you, connecting you to the nurturing energy of the earth. Allow yourself to feel supported and grounded. Repeat this affirmation: I am safe, I am secure, I trust in the process of life. Affirm these words with confidence and believe in their truth. Feel the power of these affirmations in every single cell of your body. As you focus on your root chakra, invite any fears or insecurities to gently come to the surface. Acknowledge these emotions without judgment and release them, knowing that they no longer serve you. Now imagine a glowing red light surrounding your body, creating a shield of protection. Feel this energy enveloping you, giving you a sense of safety and stability. Allow this radiance to strengthen your root chakra, empowering you from within. Take a moment to express gratitude for the stability and security in your life. Feel a sense of contentment and peace wash over you, knowing that you are supported by the universe. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in and out. As you open your eyes gently, thank you for joining.